Take out your phone, install this app, do nothing, and collect your income over and over again. This is the simplest and quickest method to get some free passive income using only your phone. We never have mentioned these applications on this channel. They can earn you a fair amount of money without requiring you to do any tedious surveys or offers. If you stick with me until the conclusion of this video, I'll teach you how to improve your results and earn even more money. Before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy earning money online. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, and I'll send you a notification whenever I have a new and fresh method to make money online. You may be one of the first to utilize it and make most money in the process. I'd like to show you 3 distinct applications that will pay you to do nothing. You will actually get paid only to download the app to your smartphone device. They're accessible for both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter which one you have. And all you have to do is download the app for free, join for free, and leave your phone to collect your profits. If you hang on until the end of the video, I'll even throw in a 4th app where you can earn even more money. I strongly advise you to utilize all the applications that we will share with you today, because if you use all of them, you will maximize your results. But if you only use one of them, you will not earn any major money. However, if you combine all of them, you will most likely be able to make nice sum of money and thus be able to purchase something nice for yourself. The first software we'll use is called Rewards app, and you can find it on their official website at getpanelop.com. What is Rewards app and how does it work? The Rewards app is a data collection software that operates in the background. It is available for download and will run in the background. It collects information such as what you've searched for, which website you visit, and other similar information. But it has no effect on your phone. You don't have to do anything. Simply download the app and use your phone normally. They aren't stealing any of your personal information. They aren't reading your private messages. They aren't sharing your personal information with anyone. They aren't looking at your photos. They aren't looking at your search history. They are simply collecting basic background information. If you go to Google Play Store, you'll see that this app has over 80,000 downloads, which is quite a large number of people. And the app has 4.3 star ratings, which is really high for a make money online app, since you know how frequently people misinterpret these applications. They believe they can earn thousands of dollars, so they give negative comments. However, with this app, users are really happy with the amount of money they make. And as a result, the app has 4.3 star ratings on Google Play. It also has a large number of installs, indicating that it is effective. The Rewards app is a free mobile loyalty club that has given out over $2 million in cash and prizes, so it's not going to make you rich. You can earn $5 to $10 per month with this app, but you don't have to do any work because it runs in the background. If $5 to $10 isn't enough for you, you can always complete various services and stuff like that to boost your results. Or you may simply stick with me until the end of the video. I'll provide you additional applications that you may use to earn money without having to perform any effort. For now, the first software you'll need to download is Panelop, which can be found on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The second app we'll use is called Smore, and it's one of my favorites. It earns money and incentives, and I believe it is accessible on both Google Play Store and Apple Store. You'll need to double check that because things change all the time. I know for a fact that it's always available on Google Play Store, but it's time to remove it from the App Store from time to time. Check if it's currently available in the App Store by the time you finish watching this video. You can even watch the short video because it'll explain to you a little bit more about how the app works, and it's an entertaining video. It only takes a couple of seconds long, but basically you just install it. Just as you would usually check your phone to open it and unlock it, you will now be shown an advertisement. You do not have to watch the video or anything. It is just an image or an ad. And you may of course bypass it and go directly to your phone. but you will still get paid. If you're like me and 90% of the people nowadays, you unlock your screen 1,000 times a day and continuously check your phone. Well, now you'll get paid each time you try to unlock your screen. Don't worry, it isn't going to be boring or anything. You won't even notice that you will still get paid without doing any work. That's the second app which you can install. Again, it's called S'more. Earn cash reward. MoneySMSapp.com is the third app I'll be using. And before I offer you the bonus app, this is my favorite. Using an SMS app, you may earn money online. Money SMS is a free Android software that allows you to earn money online by receiving SMS produced by their system. This is automated. You earn money with the app without having to do any active activities on your site. You do not have to do anything except install the app and you'll get paid to receive SMS from them. You don't have to read it or even have to open it. You can delete it as soon as you receive it. They're just trying out different systems. They will not show you any advertising, nor will you be required to perform any surveys or other tasks. Simply download the app and they will send you a handful of SMS or text messages every day, which you do not have to read and which you may delete as soon as you receive them. Then you will get compensated for every text message you receive. Of course, their software does not read any of your private messages or use any data, so this is not a data collection app. They just read their own test SMS. It is completely free. You do not have to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden charges. All you have to do is sign up for the app. You can even look for it on Google or the Google Play Store by searching for Money SMS and then download and install it. Create an account by registering. Signing up will take less than a minute and you will immediately begin getting automated text messages for which you will be paid 3 to 4 cents. If we're talking about dollars, it would be approximately 3 to 4 cents every message you received in dollars. And once you have 2 euros, which is around $2.50, you can withdraw your money, which is great because you don't have to wait until you reach $100. You can cash out and withdraw your money with this app for a couple of dollars, and their payments are really fast. You can withdraw your money within 48 hours, and they do accept PayPal, which is great because I know a lot of you guys love PayPal and PayPal option, and now you can get PayPal money. If you're wondering if this is a scam or if it's truly legit, like why are they paying as well at Money SMS? They take all the required precautions to guarantee that they comply with the newest GDPR privacy policy standards. If you're not sure if you need to install this app or whether you should install it, you can read more about it here. I did some research for you on Google and found a lot of reviews and feedback about the app. It works, it pays, and actual people are using it a lot. It has a lot of downloads. It even states here that over 160,000 people are using it, and over 100,000 people are getting money with it. So it's a great program. It's all about the MoneySMSapp.com. Again, it won't make you wealthy, but having this app loaded on your smartphone device is a good side hustle because you don't have to do any work and will still earn a few bucks each month. The last app I have for you, which is a bonus app, is Mobile Expression Panel. It works similarly with the first one. You just have to install the app, they gather data from your phone, and you get paid. So you can do anything you want with it. If you have a few gadgets or extra devices in your home, you can absolutely install it in all of them. The greater the number of devices you have, the more money you can make. Even if you just have one phone, it'll be wonderful. But if you have few more devices, you can surely double your profits. If you have numerous devices in your home, you can at least double your earnings. The more devices you install these applications on, the more money you make. You're not doing any work. It just runs in the background of your smartphone. And it pays you $10 to $15 or $20 a month just for having it on your phone. It's as simple as installing it, registering for free, and then forgetting about it. You'll get regular income from it without having to do anything actively. And you won't even have to log into the app unless you want to withdraw your money. If you want to cash out, you'll need to log in. But other than that, you don't have to. This app has over 50,000 downloads and 4.1 star ratings. And it's an older app, so it's definitely not a scam or anything. If it were, they'd probably disappear within a month. This one has been up for a few years, and individuals from all over the globe have been making money with Mobile Expression Panel. Once again, the apps that you can use to make money without doing any work at all are Rewards app, S'more, Earn a Cash Reward, MoneySMS.com, and Mobile Expression Panel. Install them and allow them to run in the background and possibly gather money for no cost. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any new material. Thank you all for your undivided attention, and I'll see you again soon.